Ever feel like you're wading through molasses in NetSuite, clicking through endless menus just to get simple tasks done? You're not alone. This powerful platform, while incredibly robust, can sometimes feel like a labyrinth if you don't know the secret passages. But what if I told you there are hidden keys, shortcuts that can unlock a whole new level of efficiency and save you precious time every single day? Think about it. How many times have you navigated back to your dashboard, drilled down through multiple sublists, or painstakingly entered the same information repeatedly? These small moments of wasted effort add up, stealing valuable minutes from your day and hindering your productivity. Well, today we're going to change all that. We're diving deep into the world of NetSuite shortcuts, the tips, tricks, and often overlooked features that can transform you from a NetSuite novice to a power user. Forget those tedious clicks and endless scrolling. Get ready to discover the hidden shortcuts that will make your NetSuite experience faster, smoother, and dare I say, even enjoyable. Let's start with something fundamental: navigation. Instead of relying solely on the menus, did you know you can use the global search bar like a superpowered command center? Simply hit the // and start typing. Whether you're looking for a specific record, a report, a task, or even a help topic, NetSuite's global search is your best friend. It intelligently predicts what you're looking for, saving you countless clicks. Try it right now. /customer/sales order/save search. See how quickly you can jump to where you need to be. Next up, mastering keyboard shortcuts within records and lists. While you're viewing a record, try using Ctrl+S or CMD+S on a Mac to save your changes instantly. No more reaching for that save button with your mouse. Similarly, when you're looking at a list, Ctrl+N or CMD+N often allows you to create a new record of that type directly from the list view. These simple keyboard shortcuts can shave seconds off every action, and over the course of a day, those seconds turn into significant time savings. Speaking of lists, are you tired of endlessly scrolling through long tables of data? NetSuite offers powerful filtering and sorting capabilities right within the list view. Look for the column headers. Clicking on them allows you to sort the list in ascending or descending order. But it doesn't stop there. Hover over a column header, and you'll often see a drop-down arrow. Click on it, and you'll find a range of filtering options, allowing you to quickly narrow down the data to exactly what you need. No more sifting through irrelevant information. Now, let's talk about customization. Did you know you can personalize your NetSuite dashboard to display the information that's most important to you? Those portlets aren't static. You can rearrange them, add new ones, and even customize the data they display. Take some time to explore the available portlets, reminders, key performance indicators, saved search results, and more. Tailoring your dashboard to your specific role and responsibilities can provide you with an instant overview of your key metrics and tasks, eliminating the need to hunt for information. Another often underutilized shortcut is the Recent Records portlet. If you find yourself frequently jumping between the same few records, adding this portlet to your dashboard is a game changer. It provides a quick and easy way to navigate back to the records you've recently viewed, saving you the hassle of searching for them again. Let's move on to data entry. Repetitive data entry can be a real time sink, but NetSuite has some clever features to help. When creating new records, explore the copy function. If you need to create a new record that's similar to an existing one, simply open the existing record and click Copy. This will pre-populate many of the fields, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments without starting from scratch. Furthermore, learn to leverage saved searches. These powerful tools allow you to define specific criteria and generate dynamic lists of records that meet those criteria. Once you've created a saved search, you can add it as a portlet to your dashboard for real-time visibility into the data you need to track. You can even set up email alerts to be notified when new records meet your saved search criteria. This proactive approach saves you from having to manually run reports or constantly check for updates. Don't underestimate the power of the Help Center. While it might seem obvious, NetSuite's built-in help documentation is incredibly comprehensive and searchable. Instead of spending time searching online forums, try using the Help Center first. You'll often find detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and even video tutorials right at your fingertips. Here's a pro tip. Learn to use the SuiteScript search and record browser within the Help Center. If you're looking to understand how specific fields or record types function, these tools can provide valuable insights into the underlying data structure and relationships within NetSuite. Finally, explore the Suite Apps Marketplace. While not technically a built-in shortcut, the Suite Apps Marketplace offers a vast library of add-on solutions that can significantly enhance your NetSuite experience and automate many time-consuming tasks. From advanced reporting tools to integration solutions, there's likely a Suite app that can streamline your specific workflows. These are just a few of the many shortcuts and features that can help you work more efficiently in NetSuite. The key is to be curious, to explore the platform beyond the basic menus, and to continuously look for ways to optimize your workflows. Experiment with these tips, discover new ones, and tailor NetSuite to work best for you. The time you invest in learning these shortcuts will pay dividends in increased productivity and a less frustrating experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.